In this video, I will show you how to create such text using wrap in Illustrator. Create new document. Select rectangle and make it. Go to Properties and fill black color. Lock this layer. Select Type. Hold Alt plus Shift key and drag to resize the font. Go to Properties and change Fill to white. I am using Sign Bold font. Type text. Hold Alt and Shift key and drag to copy the text. Select Blend. Click on top text, then on bottom text. To increase copies, double-click on Blend. And change numbers of copies you want. I am keeping 11. Select Text Layer. Go to Effect. Select Wrap then Arc. You can try out multiple wrap options. Arch, Shell, Wave, Fish, Squeeze, Twist, Bulge. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.